You're just a waste of life, waste of a real good time. I guess I'll be going home, all alone, no Patron, silver lining, just an empty margarita. Let me in this tequila high and dry. No drunk pickup lines to your place or mine. You're just a waste of Bermuda, Bahama. Guess I'm never gonna meet your mama or brother. Nothing left to do but have another tequila, just enough to know that I don't need you, don't need you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Waste of Lime by Ingrid Andress. It's a great song. It came out last year. I came into it recently, and so I really like it. So anyway, I'm going to teach you guys how to play that. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or other song requests and stuff. I can't promise I'll do every request that you have, but I can promise I'll do as many as I can. And some songs I just don't know, so I'll do my best. All right. So you're going to use a capo on the 2nd fret, and you're going to have it in standard tuning. Before I go into the chords, I want to just give you a base on what I'm going to do. But before that, please hit like and subscribe. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the chords. I'm going to show you how to play them. I'm going to show you where to play them, and I'm going to like with the lyrics, and I'm going to show you a couple of different strumming patterns. One that's like super easy, and one that's a little bit more advanced, just so you guys can, you can decide what you want to do. And if you're getting better and stuff, please let me know. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to use C in this. All right. So C, put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. All right. Then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay. Then you're going to use G. All right, you can use this G or this G. I will kind of use them interchangeably in this song. You can do whatever you want. But you're gonna put pinky. All right, this G, you're gonna put your pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, you can do that, or you can put these 2 fingers up like that, and you can put your ring finger also on this 3rd fret on. This is all in relation to the capo, but your on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? So do that. So you can do either one. All right, you're also going to use E minor. So E minor, middle finger. You can use these 2 or these 2, but I use these ones. So you can put middle finger, all right, goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then you're gonna put your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? Like that. The other chord that you're going to use in this song is you're going to do A7. So it's like A, but a little bit different and a little bit easier. But so what you're going to do is you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then you're going to do open, all right, on the G string. But on the B string, you're going to put your ring finger, excuse me, on the 2nd fret on the B string. Okay. Okay. So those are the chords that we're going to use for this song. So the way that the song starts is you're just going to use G. All right. Keep in mind there's a lot of different strumming patterns you can use with music. So it doesn't have to be exact because there's a lot of different things you can do as long as you're staying in the same rhythm. You can be going faster or you can be going slower. All right. You don't have to do as many strums per beat and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. So you could just do down, 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 down. And if it's hard to get those downs, like the more emphatic ones where you're doing down, 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 down. Okay. So if those really hard ones are harder for you, then you can just do the straight downs. You could just do, we had some fun, we had some laughs, I licked the salt right off the glass, dance to the music. Okay, so you could just do that straight down, down, and you can do that for the whole song. Now it'll be pretty monotone if you do that, but if you do, then you're gonna be strumming it softer during the verses. All right, and then when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do, you're just a waste of lime, waste of a real good time. Okay, so you'll do it louder during the chorus and more quiet during the intro and the verses. Okay, that's if you're only doing that, but feel free to mix it up or even palm mute it. Okay, those things are fun. Palm muting is putting this part of your hand as close as you can to that. All right, so I'm going to show you now how you do the verse, and then I'm going to show you an extra strumming pattern that you can use with it. Okay, so the chord progression for the verse is G. You're going to do, we had some fun, Okay, so fun is where you're gonna do G. We had some fun, we had some laughs. I licked the salt. Salt is E minor. Okay, so I licked the E minor right off the glass. Dance to the C. All right, music is C. C. Racked up a tab. Thought you were thinking. Okay, thinking is G. So I thought you were G. Thinking what I was thinking. Thought we were going. Okay, going is E minor. Going somewhere with all this drinking. Well, I guess the Cuervo, okay, Cuervo is C, so that's easy to remember. The Cuervo, it led me on, because I turned around. Okay, so when you get to D, and D does this pretty much every time you play the D chord in the song. You're going to do, because I turned around, and you're just going to do a single strum that's going to be louder here. Around and you were gone. Okay, so I would do like 3 strums, at least 2. Round and you were gone, you're just a waste of time. Okay, so then you could go into the chorus, you're gonna start with C there. All right, so on a round you do D, and you were gone, you're just a waste, and I would mute it, you're just a waste of time. Okay, like that. Now, the other strumming pattern you can do is when you can do, so you're gonna do G, E minor, C, G, E minor, C, D. Okay, for the verse you could do just a way up, we had some fun. So you do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, and then you'll switch down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So you can just do that down, down, up, down. So you can do that during the verses, okay? I wouldn't do it during the chorus, but you can do it during the verses, okay? Then for the chorus, I'm going to show you where the chords go, and then I'm going to show you the other strumming pattern that you can use. It's not the same as that one. So you're going to do, you're just a waste of lime. So lime is C, okay? Lime, waste of a real good time. So time is G, time. I guess I'll be going home. So home is that A minor, or sorry, A7 that I mentioned earlier, okay? So that's where you can do home is A minor 7. Sorry, A7. Home, all alone, no Patron. Okay, so on silver, you're going to do silver line and just an empty margarita. Okay, so you do silver is silver line and just an empty margarita. So on margarita, you're starting with C again. Now, the chord progression changes here. So you do margarita. Left me in this tequila high. So high is G. High and dry. Okay, so dry, you go to E minor. So you're not doing A7 the second time through. Dry. Drunk picked up lines. Okay, so lines is C. Lines. No, your place or mine. Mine is D. And when you do D, remember you always just let it ring out for a sec. No, your place or mine, you're just a waste of lime. Okay, so when you do waste of lime, that's when you go into the post-chorus part where you're gonna do Bermuda, Bahama, guess I'm never gonna meet your mama. Okay, so you do G, E minor, C here. Your mama or brother, nothing left to do. Okay, nothing left to do, I'm take a kiss. Okay, so then you go into the second verse. Now the other way that you can strum the chorus, and there's a lot of ways you can do this because it gets really fast and fun. So you can do a lot of cool stuff. So I don't know if you noticed in the intro part of the video, I was doing. Okay, I was doing that. So that's what you can do. What I did for that is you're gonna do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I try to breathe when I do that. So you can do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. So you can do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. Now you don't have to do that. You can just do the. You're just a waste of lime. Just a waste of a real good time. Okay, stuff like that. So you can just do the straight down, or you can do the. You can add those thumps in. All right, there's a lot of fun stuff you can do. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.